Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about the zoom lens of audio. Otherwise known as the Sound Shark. The zoom lens of audio. What is the Sound Shark? It's an organically harvested, vegan-free, open water shark that they've crammed inside of a parabolic dish. It's a parabolic dish. Basically what that means is sound comes in and it traps out all this stuff and it sucks this in. It hones in and it captures it and puts it into your microphone. You've seen these used in sports.
And really, that's been a story of this game. There have been 33.
Here's how we're going to use this today. You as a filmmaker, where does this apply? This would work for events and weddings because you can put it super far away and it will zoom in and suck up that audio. You can mount it on a tripod. You can mount it on your camera with the hot shoe. And it just takes a lav microphone that you put in here, omnidirectional. Okay, it's just going to capture that. And today we're going to compare it against the Rode VideoMic Pro. We're going to have music playing in the background. We're going to have a waterfall in the background. And you're going to hear how this helps from 40 feet away and why this would be a good backup plan. It's not going to replace a lav microphone. It's not going to replace something that's handheld and right here. But it's an amazing backup plan because something can always go wrong, as they do. We once did a wedding and it was great. We had everything planned perfectly. But then, of course, the whole audio system failed and we had to use an H6 that was stuck on the ground. So this would help because you wouldn't need to do anything else other than set it up on a tripod and push record. So let's jump into the comparison. We're going to have the Sound Shark, the VideoMic Pro, all 40 feet away. I'll be wearing a lav so you can hear the best, most optimal situation. These are the things I love about you. You're happy in the morning, you're happy at night, you're happy when we're spinning around at Nightmare on 13th. Of all the wonderful flowers that I have seen in my life and smelled and held, you are that above which is all greater cherished. You are my flower. Well, those are some great vows, aren't they? We're so happy that you could join us here together, uniting such a wonderful, lovely couple. So here's a test with the music playing in the background with the Sound Shark and the VideoMic Pro. I promise to love you, I promise to hold you and to cherish you, because you are my life, you are my world, you are my strength, you are my happiness. Ever since I laid eyes on you, I knew that you were the one, because my life and my world is inside of your universe, and my universe is your universe. And our universe together forever cherish this moment. I am the pastor for this wedding. What a wonderful time we are having today to gather around. Witnessing such a lovely, beautiful couple joining in the marriage unity. So now here is a simulation of a waterfall. We're playing it through the same speaker that we were playing the song on, but now that speaker's playing a waterfall sound effect. You are my world. You are my waterfall that's playing in the background. You are my everything. I'm so glad I found you, and you found me. I'm glad for our life, and I'm glad for our family. And I'm hoped that we can be together one day forever with our children happily ever after. When times are tough, when times are bad, when times are happy, when times are sad, I will be there by your side. I will be with you day and night. These are the things I love about you. It's true, I love you. What a wonderful wedding we have here where we've got this wonderful waterfall off to our side and this lovely, beautiful couple here tonight. Truly, it's a wonderful time. Okay, so first thing that you can tell is that the Sound Shark, it picks up the details really well, but it sounds a little bit hollow. So in the situation where we have music and waterfall, doing EQ may kind of skew it and make it not sound great. But we're going to show an example with EQ applied on the no music, no waterfall and how we can make this sound like a really great microphone. So now that we're in our project, well, let's just apply a little bit of EQ. So I'm going to do a low cut just to get rid of any low rumbles down there. We're going to push play and we're going to kind of restore this low end that was lost that you would normally have with a like condenser microphone or a lav microphone up close. So we're going to kind of shape that something like that.
These are the things I love about you. You're happy in the morning, you're happy at night, you're happy when we're spinning around at Nightmare on 13th. Of all the wonderful flowers that I have seen in my life and smelled and held, you are that above which is all greater cherished. You are my flower. Well, those are some great vows, aren't they? We're so happy that you could join us here together, uniting such a wonderful, lovely couple.
So like I said, I don't think this is meant to replace a lav microphone or be your primary microphone, but it's an amazing backup to have because not much stuff can go wrong with it. So thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you check out Soundshark, where to buy it in the description below. There's also a link in there if you want to learn more about your audio, the top 6 mistakes that filmmakers are making. That'll be the first link in the description. And then also, if you want to learn even more than that, check out the full course, The Filmmaker's Guide to Audio, where I teach you all things audio and how to use EQ and clean up your audio and get that professional polish. And there will be a link to a discount code in there as well if you use that link. So check it out. And I'm Brennan, by the way, that audio guide. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you later.